In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subscriber list on Klaviyo. We'll start right from the Klaviyo home dashboard, and I'll walk you through exactly what to click, why it matters, and how to start getting people into your list. Once you're logged into your Klaviyo account and you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar. Find the option labeled Audience and click on it. This is where Klaviyo keeps everything related to your contacts, including lists, segments, and subscribers. So it's the natural starting point whenever you're organizing who you're sending campaigns to. After you click Audience, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Lists and Segments. This page shows all of your existing lists and segments, and it's where you'll create any new subscriber list you need, whether it's for a newsletter, a specific product line, or a particular type of customer. Now, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a button that says Create New. Click that, and from the options that appear, choose Create List. This tells Klaviyo that you want a standard list, which is perfect for things like email blasts, welcome flows, and other list-based automations. Next, you'll be asked to give your list a name. Type in a clear, descriptive name that makes sense for how you plan to use it, for example, newsletter subscribers or VIP customers. Good naming here really helps keep things organized later, especially once you have multiple lists in your account. When you're happy with the name, click Create List to confirm. Klaviyo will then take you to a new screen where you choose how to add subscribers into this list. You have three main options, and you can use one or a combination of them over time. First, you can upload contacts. This is ideal if you already have subscribers in another platform or a spreadsheet. You'll prepare a CSV file with your contacts and import it directly into this list. Second, you can use Quick Add. This is for manually adding a single email address, which is handy when you just need to add one person on the fly. Third, you can create a sign-up form. This lets you design a pop-up or embedded form that automatically adds new leads to this list as they subscribe, helping you grow it over time without manual work.